Hey guys, just getting a little update today. Working on a bunch of stuff. Been working on a bunch of stuff. So today, I'm putting some new windows in. This is the bathroom, and yeah, I had to cut the siding out to put the new windows in. But put new siding on too, so that's getting done. So yeah, this is a Pella, I think. No. Yeah, I think it's a Pella. They're cheaper ones. They got the J channel built in now. So I did that one there. Did that this morning. And then this afternoon, around here, did the other window. That window there in the bathroom, the inside glass was cracked. I don't know how that happened. It's been like that for years. But you know, get new siding on, so I don't want to have to. I don't want to look at the old windows. So this window here was all clouded up. I got a new one here, same brand. Got it at Lowe's. I think that one was 100. The small one was 128. I think this one was 144. But yeah, I got it in. I had a heck of a time getting the old one out. I had it caulked in, and the nailing flange was missing off that side. And I remember what I did. We drilled holes in the inside of the frame and screwed it fast. There's the old ones out there for the trash man. Yep, so that's what we're working on. So that's one thing out of the way. I got 9 more windows to go. This one here, these two, and all the ones in the addition. So yeah, my friend Robert's here helping me for a couple more days. So yeah, we got the deck stand cleaned up and stained, almost finished.
Hey Scott!
Hey, what?
Move your car!
Move my car, alright. So, working on that. I got light fixtures up in the garage. I passed the roughing inspection. So, yep. There's the light fixtures. 3 of them out front here. Those are 3,000 lumens a piece, I think. And then I thought that would be overkill on the side here, so I just bought this simple one. And the reason this one has a box is because I drilled the hole in the rib, so yeah, it looks alright. Just a, you know, I don't have a regular bulb in there, so yeah, the deck looks great. Looks real good. It's got that section right there, I think, in the bottom here, and a little section of railing over there, and it's done. So, yeah, that's that. And then that, yeah, that section down there has to get done. Yeah, it's not perfect. It's old. Still solid though. So there. Oh, there's another project I worked on. Oop, zoom down again. My cherry picker wouldn't work. Wait till you see what I got in here. So I had to fix my cherry picker. Alrighty. So in the garage. Oh, let's see. Plug the lights in here. Hold on a second, guys. Looking at nothing. Alright, I guess you've seen the lights already, I think. That's only 3 strips, the other ones. I should have this wiring done soon. So, I don't think anybody's seen it. Whoop, there he's zooming again. I got my tools in here now. Oh, a lot of organizing. Yeah, look at that. Man, I got all kinds of cheap toolboxes. Yep, somebody complained about that. Look at this. Another project. Oh my gosh. It's an 84 Dodge Rampage. A friend of a friend owns it. It blew up near here. Engine seized. So I tore it apart. I started taking it apart. I couldn't even get the cam to move. Yeah, it seized up. You can see it was kind of locked up. I had to pry the cam out of there. So yeah, I'm just prying this, picking this motor out of here, and it's locked up tight. So I got to pull the engine and trans. I've only done this a few times on a K car. I know I got to get the power steering pump out of the way yet. I got to get the exhaust off yet. The pulley has to come out of there, and the 3 motor mounts, and then I think I should be able to pull the engine and trans out. And it's making a mess. I unplugged the speedometer cable, and yeah, it's making a mess on my new floor. But yeah, it's a neat little thing. 2.2 liter. The engine I got to go in it, it's newer. We're gonna have to do some mods. There's no There's no boss here for a fuel pump, mechanical fuel pump. I didn't find a local 2.2 liter out of an older one, 87 or 86, 85, 84. I just didn't see any. There's a mechanical fuel pump down there. I'm just going to run an electric fuel pump. This is a 2.5 out of a 90. Probably a Spirit or a Claim. So yeah, I got it all pressure washed. I'm going to pull the head off. Maybe send the head out. I'm not sure yet. Swap the water pump housing with the 84. Like I said, you know, swap the distributor with the 84. I got the manifolds off, but yeah, I got to change the freeze plugs. And I'll show this to the owner of the car too. He was worried about it. I'm like, no, there's no damage to the block whatsoever. Just the freeze plug started rusting out and I left it stain. I was just showing him that. That's going to be. So yeah, look, they have the casting here and everything. Look, this must be day or night. I don't know what that means, but I think this means January 22nd, 1991. This was made. So this is a 91 motor. So yeah, I'm going to swap the freeze plugs out, change all the gaskets, new timing belt, new crank seals, new cam seals, all that stuff. Oh yeah, my cherry picker's all fixed up. This saved my my air compressor and my welder and my AC machine and the tractor from getting crushed when the tree fell on the old shed. So yeah, the wheels were bent. I couldn't find the exact ones with the metal casters. This is what it's got. I bought these at Harbor Freight. They're supposed to be good for 250 pounds a piece. It seems to roll a lot better now. Maybe I'll put all those rubber ones on there. But yeah, I got the new Ram. I used a 20% off coupon. And yeah, now it goes up. But I was going to buy a new engine crane because this one's old and it's got a few problems. But you know, the new one's like the metal is not as thick as this one. This is a Laren. I forget where I got this. I've had it at least 15 years. And yeah, the new one, the Harbor Freight one, did not look decent. So I just figured I'd fix this one up. So I got the Pittsburgh Ram on there, and I got the new wheels, and it works good. I got this engine in the air, washed it up real good. Yeah, there you go. I just got to work on that. I've been working on the house. It's got nice weather. I've been working on out here on the crappy days. It's been pretty nice. I haven't needed the air conditioner out here. So that's what I'm up to. Yeah, I just got a lot of stuff to sort through here. It's all my uncle's stuff, well, except for the air conditioner and the saw there. But like these toolboxes here, these are my uncle's. These are all my uncle's tools, and you can see like you can't have nothing without the damn critters getting this stuff. You know, I'm sorting through this. Probably give my cousin some of this stuff. I need to put some shelves out here, and I'm doing the final wiring. I'll try to do it this weekend. Not a whole lot to do, just put receptacles in, a couple ground fault interrupters, up there it'll get plates, cover plates, all along there it'll be cover plates, and then these four up here, those are going to be receptacles for the lights to plug into. It'll be controlled by the switch right there. Switches are going to be right there. Just a real simple setup. 3 light switches there. I got a split dualplex one. And then these is going to be an outlet. That's the welder right there. That'd be plugged for plugging the welder in right there. And we got an outlet there, an outlet there, an outlet there. We have an outlet there. There we have for the air compressor, another outlet, another outlet, another outlet, another outlet. And then there's 2 on this front wall. Okay, and then there's a couple junction boxes up there too. I got to get plates covers for, so that's what I'm doing a little while here, making a Lowe's run. I think I showed you the lights on the outside. I'm anticipating getting the air compressor going because this little guy here does all right, but it's just not for air tools. It's for blowing up tires and stuff, you know. I'm glad to have it. So there you go. That's what we're up to there. See the Rampage in the dark. So, yep, there's my hoopty. And, yeah. Oh yeah, my rocks. Forgot about that. Yeah, my friend helped me with this. This is 2 tons of these Maryland river pebbles and a bunch of 4x4s and a whole lot of fill and some rebar holding these posts into the ground. But I didn't like the, I hated mowing up against this all the time, so this came out real nice. I just gotta, you can see the dirt was just washing up too, you know, once it rained. So I gotta wash the dirt off the building there, and get the handprints off of there. And but yeah, that came out real good. It's too deep here, you know. It's 2 4x4s deep right here, but that's not all deep in those rocks. We were digging stuff out from other places, and you can see the ants are already doing their thing in there. Yeah, the ants are going to town. I'll let them do their thing. Stay out of my building. So yeah, there you go. And then we got that done. Another long video. I got a bunch of cleanup to do yet. And then he built me a ramp. So the tractor's inside. Yeah, the ramp was made out of the remains of the wheelchair ramp that was not built well. I'll build a better one. So yeah, the old truck's running good. Drinking oil and eating gas. That hoopie's running good. Mom's van's running good. Selling these two right here, town car and the Hyundai. I got too much crap, so selling those two, getting them cleaned up. Town car, I replaced the air springs and now the O-rings are leaking. I put new O-rings in, but they're no good. So the only thing left here at the deck is I got to replace these steps for Mom. Time has taken their toll on them. You can see they're not exactly level anymore, or either way. So I'm going to be redoing them as soon as I get some of this other stuff out of the way. Yeah, right now, but yeah, we're still using these steps. They're solid. They're just crooked. You know, everything's settled that way. So we'll be doing that, and then yeah, free refrigerator if anybody wants it. It works. Just got no place for it. So yeah, that's what we're up to. So alrighty. Oh, I gotta close the van up then. So yep, I'm gonna get this video uploaded, and just want to let everybody know what I was up to. Been busy. So everybody take care, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.